Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.3 Unusual Words. This criterion is designed to ensure that web pages use clear and understandable language to make it easier for all users to understand the content. This includes avoiding the use of unusual words or jargon that may not be familiar to some users, and providing definitions for any technical terms that are used. To meet this criterion, websites must ensure that their content is written in clear, concise, and easy to understand language. Here are some examples of how to implement this criterion in code. Use plain language, use clear, concise, and easy to understand language throughout the website. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that may not be familiar to all users. Provide definitions for technical terms. If technical terms are used on the website, provide clear and concise definitions for each term. This will help users understand the meaning of the term. Use an online readability checker. Use an online tool or service to check the readability of the content on the website. This can help identify any areas where the language may be difficult for some users to understand. Use a glossary. If technical terms are used on the website, consider creating a glossary or list of definitions for these terms. This can be particularly helpful for users who are new to the topic. Use simple and common words in your website's content to help ensure that all users can understand it. Avoid using complex or technical language unless it's necessary for the topic at hand. When using technical terms, provide a clear explanation of what the term means to help users understand it. If you need to use an uncommon or technical term, consider using an alternative term that's more commonly understood by users. When using uncommon words or technical terms, provide additional context to help users understand their meaning. By following these guidelines, websites can ensure that their content is written in clear and concise language that is easily understandable for all users, and meets WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 3.1.3 Unusual Words.